In 1848, the Seneca Falls Convention launched the women's rights movement in the United States. It was the first public call for women's suffrage, a historic turning point for equality. In 1900, the Paris Metro opened its very first line. A new era of public transport began underground, and it's still moving millions daily. In 1969, Apollo 11 entered lunar orbit. 2 days later, humans would walk on the moon. But on July 19th, they were already circling history. Born today? In 1922, George McGovern, U.S. Senator and global advocate for fighting hunger, was born. And in 2007, the series Mad Men premiered, transforming television with its deep storytelling and retro aesthetic. July 19th, movement, orbit, metro, and a bit of Madison Avenue. Some days quietly change everything. July 19th, did you know? In 1848, the Seneca Falls Convention launched the women's rights movement in the United States. It was the first gathering to call for women's suffrage, a historic step toward equality. Wikipedia plus 3 kids connect 3 on this day, 3 on this day, Encyclopedia Britannica 4 AP News 4. In 1900, the Paris Metro opened its first line during the Exposition Universelle. It was a game-changer for urban mobility and remains the backbone of Parisian transport today. Wikipedia plus 1 kids. Connect 2 and fast forward to 1947, George McGovern was born. He became a U.S. Senator and a champion of food aid programs, notably leading efforts against global hunger. Encyclopedia Britannica Textbook 1. In 1969, the Apollo 11 spacecraft entered lunar orbit, preparing for the iconic moon landing just 2 days later. A pivotal moment in human space exploration. W Top News plus 1 AP News plus. Also in 2007, the TV series Mad Men premiered, reshaping storytelling with its cultural depth and style, and influencing how we look at the 60s. July 19th, from suffrage to subways, from senators to space, and even a TV revolution, proving that progress and ideas can launch on any calendar day.